Vahe Global Academy, the best place for infinite learning, is Bengaluru's first ever integrated school. It is strategically located at Gunjur, which is 15-minute ride from Sajapur Road and Whitefield. The roots of Vahe are incepted in the year 2015 with a mission to paramount every child's best integral skills for the benefit of the society. Vahe Global Academy conceptualizes effortless and concrete education through holistic development of a child. School provides exclusive area for excellent indoor and outdoor play facilities for all. The toddlers' playground area includes swings, slides, and various other structures to improve coordination skills and overall health improvement. The outdoor equipment for seniors consists of a multi-play, multi-activity setup designed for thrill and adventure. Conforming to the recommendations of Central Board, the VGA campus offers a full spectrum of facilities, both indoor and outdoor. A huge area chalked especially for art and sports makes the institution all set to be the forerunner in making infrastructural innovations in the education scenario in India. We have 6.5 acres in a peaceful green setting. Over 3 acres solely dedicated to sports, arts, and other professional skill training. The school has well maintained grounds for different games like basketball, cricket, throwball, lawn tennis, and football. The multipurpose hall can accommodate more than 200 people. This huge area is used for assembly activities, yoga display, meditation, and also to display the projects during exhibition. There are separate washrooms for boys and girls. Hand wash amenities are located within close proximity to every toilet, while all the washrooms are sufficiently well lit and properly ventilated. Technology for students personalizes their learning experience. We use AV Room for showing educational videos, which helps them to visualize and conceptualize. MindSpark program is being introduced to students after every topic in the class, which enhances their higher order thinking skills. Computer Lab is equipped with the latest computers and e-learning devices. It is at par with the latest developments in technology, imparting the capability to seek, find, process, and analyze information digitally. To supplement the studies, we have library comprising more than 2,500 books which get stocked regularly with the latest editions. To enjoy the learning of art, dance, music and theatre, separate rooms are allotted. The pre-primary and primary wing consist of 5 classrooms each, which are well ventilated. The space provided in between the classroom is used for activities like orientation program, multiple intelligence and project display, and open house. The middle school wing comprises of 5 classrooms and labs for science, math and social science. The space between the classrooms is used for group work and for the display of projects. The pre-primary and primary wing consist of 5 classrooms each, which are well ventilated. The space provided in between the classroom is used for activities like orientation program, multiple intelligence and project display, and open house. We have spacious, well-ventilated science labs. Science lab equipment allows students to interact directly with the data gathered. They get first-hand learning experience by performing various experiments on their own. Also, students get to use the models and understand different scientific theories and concepts. We ensure safety norms are met and precautions are undertaken. Math lab is an area where students learn and enjoy mathematics through shapes, patterns, and board games. We conduct a math training workshop on the latest topic and trends to the school math faculty. The secondary wing also comprises of 5 well-ventilated classrooms with space provided for group activities. We at Wahi Global Academy link education with nature and is proud to introduce ourselves as one of the best integrated school. We integrate creativity with effort, healthy interaction with courtesy, individualism with groupism, inclusion with separation, and fulfillment with result. Our school's vision is to provide education focused on creative learning, academic freedom, community service, integrity, and honesty. The school will impart Indian culture in a global environment. Our mission is to serve a community by providing each student educational opportunities and to make them responsible citizens of India and the world. To provide value based education right from the grassroots level and make our students practice them in personal, academic, and professional life in future. Our approach towards learning is by making the child think, dream, question, explore, and discover. Our school provides exclusive area for excellent indoor and outdoor play facilities for all. The toddlers' playground area includes swings, slides, and various other structures to improve coordination skills and overall health improvement. The outdoor equipment for seniors consists of a multi play, multi activity setup. The timetable is planned according to CBSE norms by providing physical education every day with 1 hour of compulsory games where students are grouped into sub-juniors, juniors and senior category, introducing the sports at various levels. Co-curricular activities help the children to develop their personality. All around development of children needs attention to emotional, physical, moral, and spiritual matters. CCA takes complete care of it. In addition, these activities also help children in classroom learning. The school timetable also have incorporated art, music, and dance classes during the school hours. The students who have special talents in these areas can also register themselves in hobby classes and get acquainted with the skills needed in the same to excel. Children are trained in the art of storytelling. The training is done through 3 steps. The teacher narrates the story. The students discuss the characters and the moral of the story. The child narrates the story in his or her own words. Through this, we build confidence as well as the communication skills in the child. Performing art is one of the hobby introduced to children. Our teachers, during their language class, make sure that students are exposed to the skills required in theatre so as to get the command over the language. Here are some videos that talk about the storytelling and theatre skills of our students.
Good morning everyone, my name is Antika from grade 2. Here I am coming up with the story Rapunzel. Long ago, there lived a childless couple who always prayed to the god to bless them with a child. One day, their praise God answered. They were going to have a baby, but the wife fell ill. She had an urge to eat the herb called Rapunzel from the garden, but the garden belongs to a wicked witch. Her husband went into the garden and plucked the herb. Suddenly, witch appeared. "You thief! How dare you enter my garden?" She screamed. "She's going to have a baby and she's very ill," pleaded the man. "I will only let you when you promise me that you'll give the baby after its birth," she said. The poor man agreed. After a few months, they blessed with a beautiful girl. But as for the promise, the witch came to take the baby away. She named her Rapunzel. Everyone, we are going to do a role play on Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. One morning, the mother said to Goldilocks, "Goldilocks, yes, mother, I'm brushing my teeth. Shall I go to forest and pluck some flowers?" "Yes, you can go, but don't go to any stranger's house. In the forest, be careful, there will be bears." "Okay, mother." Goldilocks went to forest. There was a beautiful house. Belongs to the three bears. Father bear, mother bear, and baby bear. Mother bear was cooking the porridge and giving for everybody. Father bear tasted the porridge.
It's too hot, I like this.
"This is too cold, I like this. This is just right." "Thank you, Mama." "Welcome, Mama. Can we go for a walk?"
Yes, you can go for a walk.
As soon as they went to walk, Goldilocks came inside the house. "Hello, hello, is somebody there? Is somebody there? Is somebody there? Is somebody there?" Goldilocks went inside the kitchen. "I'm feeling too hungry."
Color is very much will unfold and will transport us to another world. And now we will rise and teach
story of foolish and greedy king who sends his wise ministers from the kingdom. In the end, he realized his mistakes and rewards the ministers.
The ministers are waiting for the king. He enters excitedly.
Our school gives equal importance to the field of sports. We indeed feel proud and honored to be selected as one of the school to organize CBSE South Zone Judo Tournament and CBSE South Zone Lawn Tennis Tournament.
Keshan. This bout is won by Kishan of Swami Vivekananda School. Sebastian.
Sow a thought and you reap an action. Sow an act and you reap a habit. Sow a habit and you reap a character. Sow a character and you reap a destiny. This quote succinctly describes a continuous effort to nurture our students so that they will grow into individuals with the strength of character. Our sports programs are designed to develop our students to be dynamic, future-ready individuals who not only live up to the school values of respect for self and others, integrity, a way of life, passion for learning, and excellence. A pursuit, but also have the competency and capacity to excel. VGA focuses more on holistic development, and physical education is an integral part of holistic development of a child. It is important because it's only in physical education classrooms that students learn the value of taking care of themselves through proper grooming, healthy eating, and regular exercise. We at Vahe Global Academy aim at providing the best of facilities for our students. Apart from sports, students are trained by expertise in the field of art, music, and dance. Students learn vocal, Western music, instrumental music, different forms of dance, and art. Our school students have taken part in inter-school competitions in the events like fancy dress, painting, drawing, collage, computer designing, solo singing, and group dance. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in a variety of intra and inter-school activities, competitions. Their interest, involvement, and participation in these fields have added many feathers on our cap. We also regularly give opportunities to our children to participate in All India Talent Examination in mathematics, science, and computer, organized by Olympiad Foundation of different streams. Our school's curriculum is designed in such a way to address each and every student's potential. A lesson plan is structured catering to the multiple intelligence, integrating scholastic, co-scholastic subjects, also incorporating different methodologies of teaching to enhance the learning experience of the child. We concentrate more on subject enrichment by giving group work, project, which are displayed and shared with the parents during exhibitions. Each and every year, we have lesson plan which is well planned and executed. The teachers are observed periodically, informally and formally to ensure that the objective of the plan is met. They are trained, motivated and encouraged to create, innovate and to implement their ideas in the classroom. The school follows a theme every month. Therefore, the yearly planner is accordingly designed, integrating music, dance, and art, which helps the students to involve in each and every activity, making learning fun. The teachers' enriching activities create interest in students and improves their attention, helps them to be more focused. The slow learners have remedial classes which will enable them to address their difficult areas and to rectify them in the earlier stage. These students get more of personalized attention from the teacher to correct themselves and to practice more. A learning center have academic puzzles and games that could be used to learn the concept better. These activities are student led activities as the students learn solving at their own pace with a little guidance given by the teacher. An orientation program is organized by the school in the beginning of the academic year to introduce the subject teachers and the co-curricular activity teachers to the parents. We also talk about the new co-curricular activity and the extracurricular subject that is being introduced during that particular year. The following video shows a glimpse of our learning center. Our assembly is an integral part of the school. We conduct assembly every day and each class presents an activity. These activities helps to strengthen their communication skills and also to present without hesitation and fear in front of their peers and teachers. We conduct mass drill, meditation and yoga as a part of assembly program. All religious festivals and national festivals are celebrated during assembly to emphasize on the different cultures and to remember our great leaders. Teachers' talk is a part of assembly which imparts value-based learning. Our annual athletic meet is a much awaited program for kids. The meet starts with bearing the torch and inaugurating the event by lighting it. The students enter into the spirit of the occasion in a grand way with the oath being administered by the sports captain. The impressive march past of the students, coupled with some stirring marching music, energetic mass drill performance, and various displays performed by the students housewise mesmerized the audience. The athletic events conducted makes the students soar high over the roofs. Students of classes pre-primary to middle competed in events including sprints, relay, sack race, obstacle race, fun games. The best march past trophy and the overall trophy is awarded at the end of the program. The school playground is rimmed with flags and balloons reverberating the sounds of cheers, making everyone elated. The zealous parents actively participated in the fun games which are organized by the sports committee. Good sportsmanship is one of the life's lessons that children can learn from sports, and this can be helpful in understanding values and making sure that they have a safe and fun sports experience. This may seem hard to define. Its hallmarks include being able to win without bloating, respecting one's opponents, and being able to lose gracefully. This event emphasizes the importance of sports in a child's life and is a very memorable one. Our annual day is an occasion of celebration, felicitation, feast, and festivity when students present not only their wonderful performance but also receive honors for their curricular and co curricular activities. Each and every student will be a part of our program. The students who have registered in the hobby classes like Bharatanatyam, vocal music will also display their year-end achievement during the show. This program is a teamwork of teachers, students, supporting staff, and the expertise who had trained our students. Our parents were visibly impressed by the impeccable performance showcased by the students across the grades. This day recognizes the talents of students in various fields like academics, art, and culture. Community service activities like tree plantation was organized by planting more than 200 tree saplings in and around the school. Students also participated in Swachh Bharat activity by making paper bags, designing wet and dry dustbins, distributing pamphlets on waste management. These activities hone them to be a responsible citizen. We organize Literacy Week wherein students are grouped to participate in listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities planned by our talented teachers. They made to watch documentaries, educational videos, and also to write creative passages and essays to emphasis on the usage of dictionary. The Math Week includes activities like watching videos, solving logical questions, learning math concepts on playground without textbook, notebook, using library books to learn few concepts, solving tangrams, puzzles, games, pseudo shopping for primary students, and real shopping for middle school students. They also create their own artwork, goodies, and sell them to the customers to learn more of the math topics. We involve voluntary parents to make the activity more fun for kids. These activities will make them think and improve their mathological skills that could enhance their academic performance. Field trip is an educational tour organized to understand the concepts in depth. When students see, they understand better. The application of the topic is well interpreted. Students' inquiry skills are sharpened as they tend to question. The purpose of a field trip is to help students learn and absorb new experiences in unfamiliar and casual environments. Field trips can also be turned into mobile classrooms by our teachers. In a fun environment, students are more likely to follow instructions and collect valuable data to help with skills and studies. We in Vahe Global Academy make field trip a compulsory event that happens during the school hour. Analysis of the life skills field suggests that there is a core set of skills that are at heart of the skill-based initiatives for the promotion of the health and the well-being of children and adolescents. It is very clear that when we are not caught up in the negative thinking, our feelings remain positive. We feel joyful, loving, and peaceful. When we are feeling fearful, angry, or depressed, it is a sure sign that our thoughts have become negative and dysfunctional. Developing this awareness and making the decision to eliminate negative thinking can be dramatically life changing. Life skills go hand in hand with development and can help children succeed in life. To cope with increasing pace and change of modern life, students need new life skills such as the ability to deal with stress and frustration. The students are exposed to adventure games that involves crawling, rope climbing, balancing, and other activities that strengthen their skills needed to deal well and effectively with the challenges of life. All students will potentially have a different list of skills which they consider more essential in life. Thus, our course is carefully designed to provide a broad general introduction to the concept of life skills and those useful for developing the skills. Every student in the school is being monitored right from the time they board the bus by the bus in charge teacher and the bus mate. Students' behavior in the bus is monitored and misbehavior report is addressed immediately and corrective steps are taken. The school maintains an incident register and has a written report about incidents, accidents that have happened during the day. The review of the same is also done by a set of teachers. The school follows anti-bullying policy which is mentioned in the school diary and ensure that the school is bully free. Our teachers are given various roles to monitor the students during the break time, lunch time and activity time. Vahe conducts mock drill to evacuate during emergencies. We raise an alarm which is informed to the students, drivers, mates and staffs. Once the alarm is raised, we make sure that students use the emergency exit allotted to their class without chaos and reach the ground within 2 seconds. The record of the same is maintained and is reviewed accordingly. We at VGA encourage students with special need to be a part of the classroom so that they learn the personal behavior faster, and it will also encourage such students to come to school and play with other students. We train the students of the same class to show empathy towards them as they are also one among. Yet, the same class is being monitored by an additional maid to ensure the safety of the child and the rest in the class. Every class, corridor, entrance of school and transport have cameras fixed to monitor the students and to ensure effective teaching learning process. Sound mind in a sound body. Students who are healthy can concentrate better and can also excel in academics. We had invited dentists to teach our children oral hygiene, psychologists to address adolescent students about being healthy physically and mentally. During a zero period, we maintain silence for 5 minutes to calm our mind and to reduce anger. To practice mindfulness, discipline chart is put up in each class to ensure decorum is maintained. Every month, the best disciplined class gets a rolling cup to motivate the students. The class that gets the cup maximum time is awarded on the annual day. We also conduct workshops for parents in the effective use of mobile by students. Phonetics for pre-primary parents. the different developmental areas for pre-primary and primary parents, and students' behavior during adolescent for middle school parent. Apart from parent workshop, the school is meticulously following the practice of teacher parent meeting to discuss the problem of the student. This practice has helped us in assessing the areas of strength and weakness for applying corrective measures. It is collective efforts that may contribute achieving the desired results. When parents take interest in kids' schoolwork, it makes teachers feel worthwhile and valued. An increase in teacher morale may in turn benefit the students since the teacher may be more engaged and passionate about her work. Parents who are involved with their kids' education also feel better about themselves. We train the teachers on the modern methods of teaching because effective professional development enables educators to develop the knowledge and skills they need to address students' learning challenges. Expecting a better output, VGA conducts teacher training program at the start of every academic year. The teachers prepare a detailed plan for subject enrichment activities and implement the same, which is being monitored periodically by the coordinators. They are also trained by the safety team to help them understand the monitoring system of the school. We also have trained the teachers in identifying the difficulties of students and accordingly follow the structured method to correct them. Class teachers have a case study on their performance. Parents are given the same and, if needed, suggest or request them to take further tests and approaches required apart from schooling. With the increased technology and busy lives, children are constrained to visual world that eventually becomes detrimental to their holistic development. They are drawn away from physical exercise that generates sense of imbalance. Furthermore, many deploy intensified focus majorly on science and math while neglecting art, music, games. The latter helps in developing body and mind balance, and the former develops the logical capabilities. Keeping this in mind, our curriculum is framed by integrating subjects to promote child-centric learning. We integrate the topics from the core subjects like English, math, science, and social studies with physical education, art, theatre, song, and dance. Teachers use their creativity and innovation methodologies to drive in in-depth understanding of concepts in the topics taught. Multiple intelligence is a concept that entails the uniqueness of each child. Intelligence, an umbrella term, doesn't signify logical skills alone. It endorses creativity and emotional balance as well. Integration of games, art, and music with curriculum primes the child to learn with no effort and pressure, and as well expose them to nitty-gritty of a subject. Children learn to play, and most importantly, children learn how to learn. All our teaching staff have undergone training on the implementation of multiple intelligence in their classroom teaching. As each student is unique, so is the way they perceive. Our activities includes individual and group work to enhance their thinking and team building skills. They explore, experiment, and enrich their creative skills under the guidance of teachers. Students are divided into clubhouses, math, science together as Explorica, and social and English together as Ingenious. These clubs expound further on the topic children have learned in the classroom. The activities of the clubs include making working models, quiz competitions, and watch documentaries on science and social topics. Besides innovative teaching methods, we expose children to various other nurturing environments that forge holistic development. These environments also act as platform for a child to enhance their knowledge and exhibit their talent. Teachers are trained to use the technology and to use the same in taking the class.
Gravitational force, you can see a person standing. Even if you want to stand on the earth, that pull should be there, children. Okay, so if you want to stand on the earth pulling is only makes you stand on the earth. So an attractive gravitation, you can say that an attractive force that binds us on to the surface of earth. Okay, simple way. If somebody asks you what is gravitational force of earth, it's an attractive force that binds us onto the surface of earth. Again, we'll move to the next. Okay, how this gravitational force came into existence. Okay, so this concept brought by Sir Isaac Newton, the scientist. So he brought out this idea or the concept of gravitation when he was sitting under the apple tree. The apple fell on his head. Okay, so he discovered why this apple is falling down only, why it is not going up. So this thinking, this confusion made him to find out the concept called gravitation. Okay, so earth attracts. Finally he found out that earth attracts or pulls. Pull and attracts means same meaning only, coming closer all object towards its center. So this is how you can explain the floating of this form sheet. Since the weight is very less, it displaces very little amount of water. So get balance each other, upward force and the downward force cancel each other, so it floats. But if you take this carom is little heavy. Okay, so it has to displaces little more water. It sinks in the water. As it sinks, it displaces more and more water, and it sinks till the displaced water's weight is equal to its actual weight. Okay, actual weight means the weight acting downwards. So when the carom, if I put, like I take the carom, when I put it, what will happen? It displaces a little amount of water. That amount of water will be equal to its weight. So then it starts floating. So whenever I try to immerse an object inside the liquid, what happens? The liquid definitely displaces an amount of water, and because of that it sinks till the weight of the water displaced by it is equal to its actual weight.
Yes. Go to the insert tab. Insert tab. Tables group. Convert text to table option is there. See. Down. Auto fit to content. In the yes. You okay. We can, both the options are available. We can either convert the text to table or we can convert the table to text. Okay, children. Now I need to modify the table. Okay, so what we need to do, select the table. Okay, go to design. Okay, already see here you can see the number of different design is there. Okay, how we need to design the table styles, different styles was there. Okay, sometimes in the document and all, when we are going to data entry kind of thing, they will be given only the thing. We need to understand what kind of design have they applied over there, and we need to select the design according to that. Okay, can you click on the down arrow mark in the table styles group, Sandeep? Yes, you can, the entire number of table styles are there, or otherwise you can go to the modify table style. Okay, and then we can modify in the however we want, we can modify. Okay, style is based on the table normal, how you want your font size or font name. Okay, you want only the lines to be appear only to the header. I don't want lines for my data. That is thing is also possible. What color you want. Okay, give okay button. Give okay. Okay, now you select any one table styles now. any table states, whatever you wish to have it. Okay, and then go to the shading on the shading. Go to shading on the side. Yes, select it over there. Click over there. Yes. See, select the color you want.
We, the Wahi Global Academy team, is proud to inform you that our school has won many awards. We thank the Almighty for giving this opportunity to serve in the field of education and will also look forward for more challenges in shaping up the future citizen.